And hello everyone, welcome back to the Design Studio. If you have too many ideas but you cannot decide on what to put in place for this particular room in your house that you would love to redesign, I have the best tool for you to put in place. So let's get going. Let me share with you how you can create a mood board in Canva, and it is free.
Uri Designs, unique expression.
The first thing to do is to go to canva.com and create an account. I already have one, so I'm just going to log in. It is available for iPhones, iPads, Androids, phones, and tablets. And this application allows you to create professional looking designs within seconds. I am just searching for design templates and I'm going to choose the one I like. I'm going to customize it, change whatever I want. In this case, I'm just going to type here powder room. Keep in mind you can change fonts and size of the text. Now I'm going to upload the images that I want to replace in this board. I already have it in a folder. Something to keep in mind is that these templates have frames. These are those boxes that you can see that had the images before. And sometimes the images you are putting in don't fit in the frames. So it's okay, you can delete the frame and just add the images. And you can delete the white background by clicking here. And that's it. This feature is only in the paid subscription option, but you can try for 30 days for free, and if you want later you can subscribe. It's only $12.99 per month. So let's do this again, uploading another image and putting it here. I'm going to resize it, and then you can move things around as you please. Let's get rid of the background by clicking Edit Image, Background Remover. And I'm going to resize it and place it in the best possible way to show all the images in the board. For this image that has the 3 color palettes, I am going to just replace it and build my own by going to this box where it says Elements and select a square and make it more of a rectangular shape, to then add my 2 colors representing the floor and the walls. So let me just move this a little bit to the bottom and place all the images better to fit in the board. I'm going to upload the image where I have the floor and the color of the walls, but I'm going to just crop one at a time. For example, here I'm going to just grab the section that it says floor. I'm going to crop it, resize it, and put it on top of the green rectangular shape. I'm going to bring the image again to just crop the white part where it says walls. And put it up here. I'm going to just make sure the same side and just put it up here. And that will be it. Then I'm just going to rearrange everything around to look the best possible way. I decided to put powder room at the top and then the bar on the bottom. And for the lights, I'm going to just crop it to show only the lights. So I'm going to bring the image again and crop it instead of using the frame. And after I crop the image to show only the lights, I'm going to remove the background. What this does is that it helps you see how everything goes together better without those white backgrounds. And to make it easy to move all these items, I'm going to just make them a group and then resize it. I believe this is a very good way to narrow down the options and put them in a board so you can really see how everything's gonna go together. So now we're just going to download the image and that's it. This is the mood board and this is the actual powder room. I added a couple more items to complement the design. If you would like to see the entire powder room transformation, I'm going to add the link to the video in the description box. Thank you for watching, and if you like to see more videos about our home remodeling projects, please subscribe to our channel to see the new series Renovation Diaries. Goodbye until next time.